guys, it's me, Ruth. So I wanted to follow up with you about keeping keto while you're camping. Here's some delicious snacks that you can bring with you that are keto. First off, I bring bagged guacamole. You can buy it pre-made at the store. Don't try to bring your own. I mean, if you really, really want to, you can, but then you've got to worry about keeping the avocados from getting bruised and smushed before you get there, making sure you got a really sharp knife so you can cut it, something to smash it in, and, you know, this just makes it 10 times easier. Bring some bad guacamole, and what do you eat it with? Not tortilla chips, not if you're keeping keto. Eat it with some pork rinds. Makes it really yummy. And these are great substitute for any kind of chips. And then recently, this is just the regular. I got these, I think, at Aldi. They're delicious. I like them. I know some people only like certain brands, but I really like these. It's this kind. Hot and spicy ones. And these, at first I didn't buy them like the first few times I saw them because I thought, oh, they're flavored, they probably have sugars and whatnot. But they don't. They have 0 sugar and 0 carbohydrates. So, yay. Thank you for not putting sugar in these, guys. I love these because I like spicy food. Savory food maybe even more so now that I'm doing keto because I can't do the sugar. Okay, so here's some other things to bring as snacks. Nuts. Nuts are really easy and convenient. You can take them with you if you go hiking on a trail or whatever. Just don't overeat them because they are pretty high in fat and calories. But, you know, that they're high in fat is good for the keto. I like walnuts, and I really like pecans also. Sometimes I'll get macadamias, but not too often. So I like to prep and make sure that I bring as much stuff already done so I don't have to worry about it while I'm camping, and have lots of healthy snacks. Hi guys, it's me. I'm filming this in my backyard, and I just have a few more tips for you for camping keto. Plan your activities. Don't just sit around the campsite, because when you go camping and you don't have some activities planned, you'll want to sit around the campsite and eat. And you'll be like, what can I make? What can I eat? Don't make that your whole trip, because you'll get preoccupied with what you can't have as opposed to what you can have, which is a beautiful walk through the woods, or go swimming in a lake, or pet the dogs that come by your campsite. Whatever. Enjoy your now, the things that you can have. So another snack I really love when I'm at home or camping or anywhere are these little grape tomatoes. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I'll have some of these and maybe a string cheese. And it's almost like with like a little antipasto. It's so good. Of course, you can't have, you know, bread with it, but they're delicious snacks. Very healthy. Okay, some other things that I like to eat when I'm at home snacking. So I also bring when I'm camping for keto. I love pickles. Pickles are so delicious, and you know, they don't have anything really bad in them. They're not, as long as you don't get the ones that have sugar. Look at the labels, because there are some sweet pickles and you don't want those. Get as close to just, you know, regular natural pickles as you can. Look at the ingredients. Pickles are really yummy. The other thing I like to do is I like to snack on grape tomatoes. Grape tomatoes are delicious, and they're really in season right now, so I like to get whatever's in season, because then it's the best it's ever going to be. If you buy it out of season, you know, it'll be okay, but it's not going to be as good as when it's in season. Celery sticks, Celery sticks are great. You could use these to dip your guacamole if you make your own dip. I know there's some really good recipes for like a cream cheese dip. And, you know, if you have those skills to do it, do it. And it's really not that hard. So if you don't have a recipe, go Google it right now. Cream cheese dip. Don't feel like you don't have options being on keto. You definitely have options. And I'm telling you, when I brought different stuff, I really didn't miss the marshmallows. You know, I was really worried about that. I'm like, I'm going to go camping. I'm not going to be able to roast marshmallows. I'm not going to be able to bake apples. What the hell? What the hell am I going to eat, right? Well, I brought my own food. I brought healthy food, easy to eat food, easy to cook and prepare food. And I did fine. And I'm telling you, I really didn't miss the marshmallows. So don't give up. Bring your snacks. Bring what you need. And have a great time. If you do find yourself missing marshmallows or chocolate s'mores or whatever it is that you normally have when you're camping, go for a walk. I mean, you're camping. So you want to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. You want to see the woods and, you know, beautiful lake views and sunsets and really enjoy that. I'll tell you, every time I go camping, I bring less and less stuff. And it's like I bring less of my everyday life with me, and I'm able to relax more and really immerse myself in the camping experience. So don't let keto keep you from being able to do that. It's very stress relieving to go camping and be away from all the daily day-to-day things that you have to take care of and do. So I hope you go out and I hope you enjoy yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notifications. Thank you. Okay, so some other really good snacks that you can bring is just cheese and a sharp knife to slice it with, and just have a few cheese slices. So I like pepper jack and Colby. Those are two of my favorites. And that knife I got at the Dollar Tree. But it's a really good sharp knife, and it comes with that little cover so that when you travel with it, you're not slicing up everything that it's traveling with. So, yeah, try it. Okay, so here's a few other things. I bring salsa, and a lot of times I bring that to cook my eggs with in the morning. But I'll also bring it so that other people, if they just want some chips and salsa, they can have it. And olives are a really keto-friendly snack. I like to have a little, just a few olives every now and then. I'm kind of a big snacker. I'll snack on a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So it's really important for me to have keto-friendly snacks. Okay, another good snack, keto snack that you can bring camping with you, that's, really easy, are these snack sticks. They're, like little jerky sticks. These ones only had, I can read it, well, you can't hardly read it, but less than 1 gram of sugar and less than 1 gram of carbs. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see it. Okay, I think you can see it. To be honest, these were not my favorite. But my husband and my son, oh my gosh, they love these. So, I don't know. They're not really doing keto, but I buy them because they really like them. So maybe you will like them. That's something you might want to try. Okay, here are some drink suggestions for you. If you are on keto, you obviously don't want to be drinking high sugar sodas, and most of you are probably familiar with the LaCroix brand flavored seltzers, passion fruit. This one's mango. Those are very good. Also, Kroger has a generic, and this is really good too. And I'd say it's probably a third less at least than Kroger, than LaCroix, and it's really good. So I would recommend that. This is Zevia. It's soda that's sweetened with stevia. It's not cheap. it costs, at least probably twice as much as, Coca-Cola or Pepsi. But it's pretty good. If you have a craving for soda that you just, oh, you wish you had a soda, I'll have one of these. I don't really crave sodas a lot. There's only certain foods that I have to have a soda with. But when I do have a soda, I try to make it, one of these because I don't like artificial sweeteners, and stevia is a natural sweetener. So anyway, those are some things you can put in your cooler if you get tired of drinking just plain water. Okay, so if you are bringing a cooler, then you can bring these items. This is a treat that I have often late at night when I do have a sweet tooth that kicks in. I'll make a keto cocoa, and I just use regular baking cocoa, and I'll either use unsweetened almond milk or unsweetened almond and coconut milk. It's only 5 calories more. And I like the taste of both of them. And they're 0 sugar. Let's see on that one. Let's see if this one is. It should be. This one has less than 1 gram of total sugar. So either one is a good option. I'll take some of that, probably about a heaping tablespoon of baking cocoa, and a good sized mug, and I'll add some stevia or maybe a little monk fruit. Hi everybody. So that's a lot of my tips for what kind of foods that I bring when I'm camping keto. There are a few things I left out. Berries. Berries are really great. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. I love them. I just didn't have any in the house right now because we ate them all. But they're really good. And if you get a plastic container, something hard-sided so they don't get all bruised up on the way there, that's the way to go. The other things would be the meats. So, meat is a keto-friendly option. If you're going to bring steaks or pork chops, or, some people just like doing hot dogs, that's fine. Whatever it is that you want to bring, hamburgers, I think we brought steaks and pork chops. That's an easy thing. But I think next time I might bring some salmon. And then I brought vegetables, frozen vegetables. And I had an electric skillet, so I sauteed them with some butter and some seasonings. And it was delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed our tips. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notifications.